Are you satisfied with your smartphone, enjoying it without any issues? Or are you facing problems like black screen of death? Or are you stuck in a boot loop? If yes, then you have clicked the right video, since we have a one-stop solution to all your cell phone problems. Without further ado, let's move on to the computer to see the magic of Dr. Phone, a desktop application compatible with both iOS and Android devices. First of all, you need to download the free-to-try Dr. Phone desktop app. Link is in the description. We have already installed it on our desktop, and this is what the interface looks like. You can connect your iOS or Android phone either through a USB cable, or you may connect wirelessly through the same Wi-Fi network using Google Lens or a scanner app to scan the QR code and connect successfully. Let's focus on these three most important features which are included in the Dr. Phone basic package. The first feature we recommend you use is the data backup feature, which makes a total and complete backup of your entire phone within a few easy clicks. The time required for the entire backup, of course, depends on the size of the data which you have accumulated over the course of your usage. As you can see, the backup operation is very smooth, and in our personal experience, the UI and the functions of Dr. Phone is pretty efficient and works flawlessly. Next, the system repair function is an important and useful feature in the Dr. Phone basic package, especially if your smartphone has been suffering from system damage issues such as black screen of death, OTA update failure, stuck in boot loop, forced termination, brick phone or phone update failure, and a multitude of other features. Next, the data recovery function will come to use if you have managed to lose all your data, maybe due to some unfortunate accident. In a few clicks, you can recover all your data back to your smartphone within a few moments. This is of utmost importance if you had important documents or media which is of personal value to you. A special mention that Dr. Phone can help resolve and easily solve iOS 17 related issues. Also, it has the ability to cross-transfer content and data between iOS and Android devices or vice versa. Let's have a closer look at the iOS 17 common update problems which you might face and its solutions. As you can see, Dr. Phone has a dedicated web page regarding this very issue. Let's take a quick look at some of the solutions. Like for example, if your iOS 17 update fails, then ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Go to Apple system status page and check if update is available. Then instead of opting for OTA, update it using Dr. Phone. Next, if you're unable to check for iOS 17 update, then make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 17. Force restart your device so that it clears software issues causing the error. You may also use a VPN to bypass network jams. Then again, do not use the OTA update option, but instead use Dr. Phone to update to iOS 17. Next, if you're stuck at the Apple logo on boot loop, then force restart your device. Restore your iPhone using iTunes. If you want to fix your stuck iPhone without data loss, then try to fix it using the Dr. Phone system repair feature instead of using iTunes. There are multiple solutions to about 15 iOS 17 related update issues which Dr. Phone can handle. You just need to download and install Dr. Phone on your computer or laptop. Dr. Phone can also be useful for other phone related issues such as screen unlock in case you forget your screen unlock password. Or you can even change your location using the virtual location function. Also, there are many exciting features included inside Dr. Phone, like drag and drop files to your smartphone. The ringtone maker, where you can create your own personal ringtones from your favorite songs. Or the AI wallpaper, a unique feature where you can create fun wallpapers just by typing in text in the AI image generator. You may try these awesome features by installing the Dr. Phone desktop app by clicking the link in the description.